Good morning. My name is Jean-Yves Bacle. And with me, my colleague Sylvain. We're from Movex Innovation, and we're located in Shawinigan, which is near Three Rivers between Quebec and Montreal. Movex Innovation specialized for the past 20 years in developing and manufacturing electric powered track vehicles with remote control features. This morning, we'll present you the cross-country unit, which is primarily used by mining companies for multiple tasks. Before we start running the unit, we'll show you specific features of the vehicle. We'll start with the control panel, where you have the push button to actually actuate the machines. We have two different gauges. We have the hour meter, as well as the voltmeter to make sure that the batteries are fully recharged. Along with, you have the receptacle to plug in for the night recharge. Unit is normally recharged under normal circumstances, single phase 110 volts, and it takes about 8 to 10 hours overnight to recharge. And this is the actuator. Of interest, we have also different features on the vehicle, such as the handle, which can be adjusted at different angle slopes, allowing you to maneuver in hills, up or down considerations, as shown here by Sylvain. To secure the payload or any equipment that the customer wants to transport, we have two means of strapping down the equipment, such as our quick fastening kit, which are hooking systems, as you can see at the bottom of the frame on the side frame, and two of which are on each side. In addition to that, we have O-ring straps. As you can see, the O-ring here connector, and you could strap down your payload as you wish during the application. Furthermore, we have the wireless remote controller, which will show you the 4-button operations. This is to show the different locations and position for the handle, allowing adjustment for the operator. Please note this unit could be working on flat surface, as well as up and down hills up to 40 degrees. By simply removing the hooks and pushing back the handle and securing them, it goes back to its original position. This industrial grade unit is designed for hard applications. And as you can see, we have two controllers. The first one being the wireless, which has 4 buttons, one of which is for forward or backwards. Then you have turning left and turning right as well. Please note, these are two independent operating track systems. Each system consists of an electronic drive, an electric motor, its gearbox, a ratio of 50:1, allowing independent operation of each tracks, such that they can turn around, spin around 360 degrees. The capacity of the cross-country unit is 8,000 pounds on the flat surface, as well as 1750 in hills conditions, up or down 40 degrees. And it can operate also on the tilt, maximum slope of 15 degrees. There's actually a signal alarm indicating that your tilt angle is exceeding the 15 degrees, such that it allows a safe operation of the unit itself. One of the particular specific aspect of the cross country is its ground clearance. If we can stop the machine and show the ground clearance. The ground clearance is exactly 9 inch. This allows the unit to operate in all terrain conditions, maybe mud, ice, water, snow, and also standard terrain conditions. The ground clearance is fixed at 9 inch and allows operation in all those conditions with a relatively low ground pressure. For application for the cross country, the capacity of transporting 8,000 pounds are used for working in conveyor belts areas, such as ore processing plants. The unit can be also equipped with accessories electric connect, meaning that you have a connection of the 24-volt DC battery system. Please note that inside the cross-country unit, we have 2 batteries, lead acid, 2 of which are each rated at 12 volts. So it's 2 batteries in series, giving you a 24-volt DC system. And with accessories electric connect, you can plug in options and attachments which operate on 24-volt DC. Our accessories available for customers includes multiple different cranes. We have an electric jib crane, which allows you to lift up to 500 pounds, 360 degrees rotation, and with an electric crick. This is primarily used by mining operation to remove rollers, as well as electric motors and conveyor belts. We also have a hydraulic system which work on 24-volt DC, one of which is the jib crane, rated for 1,000 pounds. And most recently, we've been shipping multiple units with our new telescopic crane, we call the M270. It's mounted on the subframe and allows you to lift 1,000 pounds with exactly 16.5 feet reach. If the customer wants to lift higher payloads, it could actually lift and put on the machine up to 2,000 pounds with a reach of exactly 8.5 feet away. This gives you a mobile spider crane, and one of the specific features of the cross country, it's a narrow design. The width is 30 inches, 72 inches long, and 22 inches high. This allows the transportation of all kinds of equipment. The actual unit could be also put on the rear section of a pickup truck because the actual unit, without any payloads, has a total weight of about 1,000 pounds. Our customers also use this with other accessories such as scissor lift tables, which could be designed to the customer requirements, up to 1,000 pounds, up to 4 to 5 feet height. This gives the customers not only the features of a electric power control, remote control track vehicle for transporting equipment, but also mobile electric accessories for conducting maintenance works inside ore processing plants, and also, more importantly, underground. One of the advantages of the electric power vehicle, cross-country, is low cost of operation. It's all electric. Therefore, it allows the customers to tabulate on an ESG program and carbon footprint reduction. Furthermore, it allows the customers in underground operation, mining underground operation, that is, to operate and reduce their fuel costs, which are normally linked to the ventilation system for underground shaft. The cross-country could be used for transporting drilling equipment, explosive, pumps, any kind of equipment that is required for underground mining operation, as well as ore processing plant. In summary, the cross-country answers the question to our customers. It's rugged, it's a long duration assets, but more importantly, it's its competitive cost advantage. The average cost of the operation for a cross-country for such customers that have large fleets have averaged about between $2 and $3 of cost of operation. That is replacing spare parts and replacing the battery. Don't forget, With the current fuel costs as it is today, customers are seeking ways to reduce their carbon footprint, but also their bills as well. This summarizes the cost country, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that may be coming around. We'll show the wired controller, which replaced the wireless. This is required when the actual wireless is broken down. Top speed of the cross country is 200 feet a minute and could be programmed, because this is a high-speed version, between 44 and 200 feet a minute. As you can see, the unit can move very easily and also through obstacles. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer you. Tu veux montrer ça? OK. Ou si tu veux, oui. Juste le dire, c'était? Jumper, OK. 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 This is a jumper plug, which could be used for if you remove the panel and you need to jump the unit as a start for starting because the battery are dead, then this is the plug that you can insert. Yeah. We also have other track options. We have the flat undercarriage, which could be used for climbing stairs, speaking about a few stair levels. And this is a standard frame undercarriage. Yeah, we're finished. Thank you very much.